right, who's in the back here?
Hey, how you doing?
All right, what's your name?
My name is Reed.
Hey, Reed! Rito!
Okay, we got Reed here, who's going to scare the shit out of us right now, so.
On the track.
All right. We're dead.
We are probably gonna die.
All right, ready? Go! Yeah.
Oh!
Thank you, Mama.
Holy shit! Hey everybody, Life's Journey. So you guys have probably seen a couple of clips here and there of my last video, and basically kind of what transpired. So we had the opportunity, or they gave us the opportunity at the BMW U.S. Rider Academy to get into one of their M3 performance vehicles, and that they do. Obviously at this school, you obviously have the motorcycle stuff that we do, right? But then you also have the other side, which is for car enthusiasts. And I have to tell you, what we had, I couldn't believe they gave us the opportunity to ride in one of those cars with one of their obviously professional drivers. You guys will get it's kind of a kick. It's a short video here, but so I apologize. A couple of swear words, drop a couple of things in here. I wasn't expecting. I think maybe I was, but I wasn't, and just. Like there's a couple of times in here I really thought we were going to bite the big one. But anyways, hope you enjoy it. I think it's kind of fun. We had a good time with it. It was above and beyond what the package is. They did a really nice job to put us in one of these cars. It was right before lunch. Thank goodness it was before lunch and not after, as you will hear the comments. But really grateful to the team to get us the opportunity to ride in one of these cars. And being a big guy sitting up in the front seat was a little rough, just to say those M3s are not built for guys like me. But I have to say this driver was was fantastic. I was going to say out of control. He wasn't out of control, but it was out of this world what he was able to do with this vehicle. Like I said, there was a couple of times I thought, especially we came out of the one turn, I thought we were going to go right through the barriers, and then you'll see us do the drift and all that stuff, which was pretty wild. And then coming out of that, we hit that grass. You'll see we'll hit a grass piece, and then I didn't know if he was going to get it right back. Anyways, so enjoy it real quick. I thought I would share our little experience, and this was on day one, right between both. This is right before our lunch. So, all right, enjoy. See you in a little bit. Bye. Back here.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, what's your name?
My name is Reed.
Okay, we got Reed here, who's going to scare the shit out of us right now, so.
On the track.
All right.
We're
dead.
All right, ready? Go! Yeah.
Oh!
Thank you, Mama.
Holy shit! Oh my God!
God, this is before lunch.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the left up ahead here. Everybody lean left. Now lean right.
Oh shit!
We're going to rear wheel drive.
Oh fuck! I did this yesterday in my truck. No way, dude. No. Oh my God.
I mean, that's the easy part.
Holy shit balls.
Wow.
All right. Okay. Yep. Oh yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
We're almost done.
All right. Look at you guys back there. Hello. 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 Oh shit. Into the water. Oh mother. Oh. Okay.
You almost said it.
Oh.
Was that fun?
Yeah. That was awesome.
Great, man. Thanks. And
You, my friend, are dangerous. You are a madman.
paid for doing this.
That's why they pay me $10 an hour, dude.
Oh, I just lost 10 pounds, I think.
Totally.
Are you boys okay back there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All good.
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
Whew, yeah.
oh. Oh. What was that? Mama. Mama.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's fun, man.
Oh my God.
Don't worry, y'all will get yours at the end.
Whoa.
You got anything else?
Did you see that?
Are you guys, anybody crying over here?
I cried like a baby.
Wow. Wow.
Are you okay over there?
Yes, sir. For one more.
Hey, Reed, you guys got room for one more time?
Are you guys okay?
We're all right.
Everybody survive?
Everybody survived. I can smell rubber.
Oh yeah.
Guys, if y'all are ready for lunch, let's head on in. We'll show you the buffet.
Oh. Yeah, just sitting in the front seat, that's all good. All right. What in the fuck was that? Did you guys have fun?
We had a ball.
Holy cow, he hit that first one and I was like, Jesus.